Hello everyone, just going to do a video today where we're going to be giving Chico a bath. So Chico is excited to have his bath, going to run the water through, made the stick for him so he's a little bit more happy. Yeah, and that radiator's on there. That radiator on? Oh yeah. So this stick here, guys, I had it specially made so Chico is nice and secure on it. He's got a platform to sit on. He feels a little bit more comfortable, and I got more control of Chico with it. As you can see right now, I'm just checking to make sure the water is nice and warm, not too hot and not too cold. And so this stick helps me keep Chico in control so he can't move away from the area. As you know, they hate water, they're scared of it. Even though it's a regular base, they do their best, just like little kids. So as you can see, standing on this pole now, just checking the water for the last time now. And then I can just submerge that stick under the water so Chico can sit on this stick. And then you can feel a little bit comfortable, you've got something to hold on. And we can just let them soak in there, and you'll see slowly that the colour of the water will start changing. So first thing we want to do is add the water. Try our best not to get into his eyes and his ears. Mainly the ears, don't get nothing into his ears, and you see let that tail just soak in there. So all debris, the little dirt will come off, and you'll see Chico will start scrubbing it himself. So that's what we're doing now. And you can just put a little bit of shampoo on his back, which will trickle down with the water. At this stage, you can see Chico is more and more submerged into water. We haven't got the water too high. It's about 4 or 5 inches. So he's not too scared. I'm just going to turn the cold water completely off now and just leave the hot water and a little bit more for him. And add a little bit of baby shampoo, which is perfect for them. Just rub a little bit of that on his back. As you can see, he doesn't like to be touched when he's in the water, and he can give you a bite. So we're just gonna let the shampoo trickle down there. He's trying to grab whatever he can. So yeah, guys, we try to give Chico regular bath, especially if he gets more and more dirty. So if you don't want to overdo it, you can take all the natural oil off their fur. And as you know, squirrel monkeys are really clean. They're always cleaning themselves all the time. They do a thing which is called a urine wash. So they urinate in their hand and they rub it all over their body. This is how they do it. And their hands, and it just keeps them nice and clean for themselves. And because we have them in cage and all that, they can pick up a little bit more dirt on them. So we just make sure, as you can see, the water's, so we just make sure they're nice and clean. You can see the water's gone a little bit murky. And you'll see now when Chico dries up, it'll be nice and fluffy there soon. Just give him the towel, and you just can climb onto the towel. And we'll just dry him off the towel. There you go. Now we just leave the towel on the floor, and the floor is nice and warm and heated. Leave the towel there and let Chico do a bit of grooming himself. You'll see how he will groom himself with his claws and rub his body around the floor. Yeah? See him grooming himself. The bathroom. Just let him have a little bit of time to himself to sort him out. Clean himself up, clean his back up. She won't hurt you. Or will she? Now we'll underestimate.